Hey everyone, we've got our original stuff here all laid out for you. And for the missense mutation, all we're doing is it's a point mutation that transforms one kind of codon into another kind of codon. G to C transition. Hey man, all I do is create a missense mutation. I just change one freaking amino acid. It's not gonna mess up that protein, probably. Like, whatever. Okay, so now we have a silent mutation, which we're not changing any of the amino acids in the chain. That's why it's silent. We're just changing one nucleotide. Hey everyone, my name is G, or Guani. You can call me Guani. So all I did was I just did a little silent mutation. I'm just so quirky. Like I literally just did a little silent mutation. You won't even know I'm there. I like literally didn't even change any of the amino acids. I'm just so quirky that I just had to slide in that little codon strand. Thanks, Guani. Now we've got a read-through mutation. All we're doing here is changing a stop codon to a codon that codes for a normal protein. What up, dudes? My name's T, but you can call me Fat, even though my real name's Thymine. Yeah, I just created a little read-through mutation. That weird dude, that guy, that codon that's trying to stop my tRNA party. Yeah, I don't like it. So I got rid of it. The party don't stop when Thad's around. Okay, so finally we have a read-through mutation, a nonsense mutation, and we've got a to T transition here. We're gonna have help explaining this one, but all this is turning a regular codon into a stop codon. Oh my god, I like literally didn't even want to do this, but whatever. I don't even care about anything. I'm just deep like that. I'm like C, but like I'm like C's alter ego, I guess. Like, yeah, I just wanted transcription to stop, so I created a nonsense mutation. I just do things my way, so yeah, I just slid it in that coding strand and made the process stop because I'm the boss. Thank you for watching.